Here I have a document, and let's skip the page number only on page number 3. First, place the cursor at the top of page 3. Then go to Layout tab. In Breaks, select Continuous under Section Breaks. Then, I will add another section break at the top of the next page, that is page 4. Now, double-click on any page footer, and insert page number. Now, select the page number 4. And deselect the link to previous. Then, in Page Number, go to Format Page Numbers. And click on Start At. Here, I'm inserting 3. And OK. Now go to page 3, which is not to be numbered. Select the page number. And deselect Link to Previous. Now you can delete that page number. And done.